Chinese New Year's Eve banquet. So here is the soup, chicken soup.
Chicken soup.
Yes.
Okay. With tofu.
Tofu, all kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is the rib. Yeah, short rib, pork rib.
Very good.
This is obvious. This is shrimp.
Obvious, yes.
How to say that in English?
Spinach.
Spinach, Chinese spinach.
Yeah.
And this is marinated the pork with the pepper and the onion.
Very good.
Yes.
And so you want to do this quickly in Mandarin, each thing, or here? This is.
这个是什么汤？
鸡汤。
百家福全家福汤，有点像全家福。
Okay.
这个是猪排。
Okay.
这个是那个虾炒那个香菜，这个是豆苗，这个是李氏腊肉。
Very good.
客人，很高兴过新年，新年好，
新年，新年，新年。明白，
这个要洗吗？
鸳鸯，我们也会放一块那个。你不过这边再拿，这是好的。
That's chicken broth. This is a hotter, spicier broth.
Yeah, but like
We're gonna put the
we gotta put some like
in one side.
spice here.
I see.
as well.
Cool. Oh, you brought that.
Yeah.
So it's half
Very
and
cool.
half.
Half and
Half
yeah.
and half.
Half and half. Hot and sour.
阴阳锅，有
啊，
有的，
妈妈也站起来。
哦，
扫的那个。
你今天忙啊，好忙，烧这个吃这个很忙。
今天的 YouTube 会很漂亮。
Trying. Before it gets all attacked.
We should follow you on YouTube.
Yeah, I would love that.
哎，这个半个倒不是太
那旁边就是峨眉山嘛，佛教圣地。然后再往成都方向就是青城山道教圣地。
我记得峨眉山脚有一个萝卜汤，特别好喝，是吗？那边吃的太多了，我都不知道哪儿了。我觉得是有哪儿了，我觉得是有的。
肚子饱了，嘴巴还想吃。豆腐吃一点，我今天豆腐还没吃。
豆苗也很好。
对，豆苗，我吃一块豆腐，然后再吃一点那个年糕，今天还没吃，弄一块年糕，弄一块年糕一根，
对，
来，谢谢，
不客气。
弄两根吧
年糕真。好吃。
好，
再给我扔一个。